What is up, guys?
We're having a real life fire.
A real life fire. I look cool. Do you like the fit? We're adventuring into the great outdoors so we can get away from the fire.
I really have to poo. Like
Well, too bad. Yeah, just go on the sidewalk. Cause you're a dog, Bridget. You're the
I'm the dog.
You're the top
Got
dog.
the dog.
Oh, shit! Do you really? No. Oh, okay.
Well, that's pretty parkour.
That was pretty parkour.
We're all gonna die, and the school's gonna burn. I think us as students really handled that well. Like, okay, we kind of ate. Like we were like so calm. Calmly exited the building. Yeah. You know.
We grabbed all of our stuff.
I left my Chromebook there. Oh, okay, sorry. They have forks on the ground. You cannot. I can tell. Kendall's senior prank is getting a 1 on her test. Do you want a kiss for the camera? That fire by Attaboy, Lexi.
Oh yeah, fire burning. Shorty got that fire
By Attaboy?
No. Sing, I got that fire by Attaboy.
Attaboy?
Attaboy.
The people that came to our school?
Yeah.
I don't listen to their music.
I got that fire. Here, I'll sing it for you.
No, I'm just saying. That's all he knows.
Oh.
Club is the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
Oh, okay. Are we going back in now?
It smells like weed.
No, just the one. Just the kid.
Yeah, took it.
I
don't know, bro.
Guys, the fire truck is on its way.
On its way.
can hear it.
Hashtag on my way.
What is love?
I thought the fire truck was like a slow, like. I think that's.
I don't know what the.
Ooh, I can feel it.
I can feel.
We should go roast marshmallows.
I don't know.
Daddy says, "Is it real?"
We don't. Well, there is a
Yeah,
thing.
that's crazy.
We're gonna go to the voodoo house over there.
The fire was fake.
Well, I think it was a senior prank.
Yeah, it might have been a senior prank.
I didn't think it was very funny though because I didn't get to finish my essay.
Well, I was kind of bored, not gonna lie.